Good morning, students. Today we will do poem name On the Grasshopper and Cricket. This poem is composed by John Keats. This is a nature poem. Let me recite the poem now. This is a poem on nature by Keats. The poetry of earth is never dead. It means poetry of earth means the songs of nature means the songs of nature never stops. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun. This line means when all the birds feel unconscious because of the summer, as this para is describing the summer season, and all the birds feel unconscious because of so much heat and hide in cooling trees. At that time, they go to hide in the cooling trees. But a voice will run. A voice also comes at that time, a singing voice from hedge to hedge about the new moon made. At that time also, the listeners are able to listen a voice, and that voice is of that is the grasshoppers. He takes the lead. When all the birds have gone to take rest beneath the cooling trees, at that time only the grasshopper is there to sing the song. In summer luxury, he has never done with his delights, for when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. This line means he is always at ease, means he is always feeling easy and having fun. When the grasshopper is satisfied, he rests beneath some pleasant weed. Now, let we do the second para of this poem. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. On a lone winter evening, when the frost has wrought a silence from the stove, there shrills the cricket's song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. As the first para was giving the description of the summer season, and the second para is giving the description of the winter season. Again, this line has been said, the poetry of earth is ceasing never. Ceasing means stopping. The songs of nature never stops. When one goes, the other is always there to sing some songs about the nature. Now here is the description of winter season. On a lone winter evening, when in winter season, at that time in the evening, nobody is there. When nobody is there in the winter season, here and there is only silence at that time. So this silence is interrupted by an insect's song, and that is the insect. Which is that insect? That is the insect cricket. That is the cricket who interrupt the silence of the winter. In winters, all the creatures shelter from the cold, loneliness, and silence appear to reign at that time. But at that time, cricket sings the song. The cricket is forced to seek means find, to find warm indoors. But his songs gets louder and louder as he finds more and more warmth. In this way, the poem is describing both the seasons, the summer season and the winter season. In the summer season, grasshopper is there to sing, and in the winter season, cricket is there to sing. But when the cricket sings at that time, the listeners of this song mistake the cricket's song. When the cricket sing at that time, they feel warmth, and they feel such type of warmth which they feel in summers. So they are mistaken by listening the song of cricket. They think that कि now there is the summer season in winter also. Cricket's song remind him of the grasshopper's song and seems to be one in drowsiness, half lost. The grasshopper is at the grassy hills at that time to sing the song. In this way, the poem shows the different expressions of the nature, how the cricket and the grasshopper carry on with the endless songs of nature. Thank you.